The family-owned company AXA Entwicklungs- und Maschinenbau is located in the west of Germany. AXA is the expert in the design and manufacture of customized machine tools. AXA machines stand for uniqueness. The constant dialogue between customers and our AXA specialists ensures that we develop and manufacture the perfect machine tool to meet the customer's requirements. In our in-house design department, our expertise forms the basis for a quality product made in Schöppingen. Every machine tool is unique, and that means that the control software also has to be customized every time. Our electrical design and software department specialize in precisely this. Thanks to our very high level of vertical integration, we achieve maximum performance and an exceptional level of quality. Synergy effects gives us a high degree of flexibility when it comes to dependence on external suppliers and service providers. All components are individually manufactured on site. Craftsmanship is the basis for every machining center that leaves the AXA factory. All components are machined in our production facility on AXA machines. This gives us complete access to the entire production process. Craftsmanship is part of everyday business at AXA, which is what makes our machines so special. 100% accuracy is our standard. Constant quality controls during assembly are therefore a basic requirement. The main spindle drives, which AXA also manufactures itself, undergo intensive testing on our in-house spindle test benches before assembly. In the air-conditioned measuring room, the components are tested for precision according to strictly defined measuring cycles. Nothing is assembled without quality control. Before delivery, all machines undergo an extensive test run. They are only finally prepared for dispatch once the customer has given the go-ahead. AXA's high standards also apply to shipping, professionally for every transport, regardless of whether the machine is 3 or 18 meters long and weighs 7 tons or 100 tons. AXA machines are known for their long service life. Our service team provides customers with full support, from the telephone hotline and remote maintenance of the machine to repair and maintenance on site at the customer's premises and the delivery of spare parts. More than 300 employees form the charismatic face of AXA. Since 1965, we have been providing several generations with a secure job from training to retirement. Training in particular is the backbone of the company, so that we can continue to cover the entire product development process in-house. That's why our specialists regularly undergo further training. Whether complete solutions for customers from large-scale industry or smaller solutions for medium-sized companies, AXA machining centers are perfectly tailored to your individual requirements. And all of this in Schöppingen at the AXA plant.